welcome to Benway. Are you ready for your first day? Great, here's your schedule. I see you're in Mrs. Thomas's homeroom, so why don't you come with me and we'll get you started, ready to meet your new family. Come on.
Good morning, class. This morning our lesson is going to be on adding integers. Adding integers can be very, very simple if you have a number line like we have shown here on our smart board. If you have the luxury of having a number line, all you're going to do is start with your first number, and you're going to go to your number line and find your first number. So we have -3 plus -2. So if we start at -3 and we move 2 spaces in a negative direction, negative would be this way. We move 2 spaces in a negative direction, 1, 2. You see our answer comes out as -5. So -3 plus -2 is -5. Okay, so hopefully that makes sense to you. I'm gonna let you try the next one. Okay, so here's our next example. If you'd like to give it a try, where are we gonna start? If you pick up the pen and put it on the first number, we have -5 plus 3. Okay, good. -5, and you're going to move 3 spaces in the positive direction. Okay, and we end up at -2. So -5 plus 3 equals -2. Okay? So hopefully that makes a lot of sense to you. Next lesson we will learn how to do it without a number line. Thank you.
Welcome to 21st Century Careers. I remember you from your visit the last time. You really liked the robots. How about we try and program some robots? Now with robots, you gotta remember you have to tell it everything it needs to do. It won't be able to do anything unless you tell it. So you need to find these actions here and put them in a proper sequence. That was awesome! Now, I know you also like 3D printing, so maybe next time you come in, we'll either work with the 3D printer or maybe fly some drones.
Speaking of flying, do you like basketball? Good. Come grab this bag. We're going to go to the court. You're going to meet drill. You're going to take the ball, pass to the man to your right, follow behind, go to the hoop. He's going to pass the man to his left, fall behind, bounce pass, finish strong high off the glass. Let's run. Good job. Hustle up.
Okay, here we go for our first lesson on the piano. And what we're going to start to do today is learn how to read music besides playing the notes. You can do both at the same time. Okay, what we're going to do, if you look here, my hand is going to play 5 notes. C, D, E, F, G. Okay, do that for me. C, D, E, F, G. Now what I want you to do is to say the notes to yourself mentally as you play them. If you do that, you'll read better. You won't make a mistake, believe it or not. Chances are you will not make a mistake. If you're saying C, D, E, C while you're playing, it'll come out perfect. Let's give it a try. Here we go. Put your thumb on a C and ready. 1, 2, ready, go. finish up right there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent. Okay, the bell rang. We're going to stop here. I want you to practice this some more. Do some independent practicing. And I'll see you next time for your next lesson. Okay, you're doing very well. Keep practicing, and I'll see you next week.
Well, just look. So what you're gonna do is we're gonna take a brown paper. We're gonna take 2 pieces, one on top, one on bottom, and glue it sandwiched together so that you get the feel of the wrapper. Okay? All right. Let's see. How'd you do over here? Oh, that looks excellent. Great job so far. So now what we're gonna do is, I want you to take your red paint, and I want you to paint the hearts, and then we're gonna write one of the messages that you want onto the heart, and then you're gonna be finished, okay? Excellent. Good job.
Hi, nice piece of artwork. I'm looking at your application, very impressive. There are a lot of things we can do for you here at Benway. My name is Jolie Simpson. I'm the transitional counselor and the learning consultant. I see here that you are interested in a college path. We can help you with your applications. We can help you fill out any applications for a scholarship. We'll take you on a visit. We'll take you for a tour. We'll work with your parents on the FAFSA and all other aspects. We also have a writing class, a college prep writing class. If college is not for you, we do have a trade school route. We can help you in a shared time program in the vocational trades, childcare, culinary, or medical assisting, and we can also, if you're interested in the beauty school route. We have job sharing, internships, and many other programs, including helping you out with job applications. I hope that helped. I'm looking forward to working with you in the future.